It was a breeze getting from the conversion course now to nearly finishing degree, so it was very straightforward.
Currently I'm finishing e-validation, which is validation for senior roles that will build up eventually to a bachelor's degree in medicinal products.
I would say getting a degree would mean a lot to me. Ever since I left school, I have been studying, and I have been studying through to diploma levels, certificate levels. So getting that degree will be hitting one of my milestones.
4 years may seem like a long time, but for me it went by quickly. It's gone in a flash now, and I actually can't believe I'm near the end of it.
My only regret is that I didn't do it sooner. The sooner you do it, the better, and it's worth it, definitely.